Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich instant dosha recipe made with bajra, also known as pearl millet. This instant bajra dosha can be enjoyed as a quick breakfast or as a dinner in your weight loss journey. I'll also be sharing a quick Moringa chutney to go with this instant bajra dosha. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup bajra. Bajra, also known as pearl millet, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. Add in 1/4 cup green mung dal, 1/4 cup tur dal, 1/4 cup masoor dal, 1/4 cup chana dal, 1 teaspoon methi seeds. I'm adding in some water and I'm going to rinse it a couple of times. Millets, when locally sourced, may contain sand, dirt or dust particles, so you need to rinse it thoroughly. Once thoroughly rinsed, I'm adding in some more water and I'm going to allow it to soak for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Millets should be ideally soaked for a minimum of at least 6 hours. So you need to soak millets more than you would normally soak rice. Millets contain phytates and soaking will help to release the phytates, which will help in better digestion and also helps to prevent digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion when consuming millets. So always aim to soak for at least 6 hours when you are using millets in your diet. I'm also adding in 3 red chilies. These are very spicy red chilies, hence I'm using only 3. However, if you're using Kashmiri chilies, you can use about 6 to 7 Kashmiri chilies, as Kashmiri chilies has less heat than the chilies I'm using now. So I'm going to soak it along with the ingredients. And the next day morning, the ingredients are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. To make protein rich Moringa chutney, into my chutney grinder I'm adding in 3 to 4 shallots, also known as small onions or cherry ulli in Malayalam, 1 green chilli or as needed, a couple of sprigs of fresh Moringa leaves. Instead of fresh Moringa leaves, you can also add in Moringa powder. Moringa is a good source of antioxidants. It's a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals and many other nutrients. I have already shared many Moringa recipes. Please do check it out to understand more. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin and you should always try to include Moringa in your diet for your better health. Into this I am adding in half cup of freshly grated coconut. To make this protein rich, I am adding in 3 tablespoons roasted chana dal. Add in some water. The water should be just above the ingredients. You can increase or decrease water as per your lightness. Sea salt as needed. And I am going to grind this to a chutney consistency. Pour the blended Moringa chutney into a bowl. For Tadka, I am heating my Tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add in 3 to 4 whole red chilies, 2 shallots thinly sliced, and allow the shallots to turn light golden brown in color. Add in some fresh Moringa leaves. Give it a quick stir. Turn off the flame and pour the Tadka over the Moringa chutney. And my quick and easy Moringa chutney is ready to serve. I have added all the ingredients into my blender jar. I am adding in a small piece of ginger, a handful of shallots, 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Hing, jeera and ginger will help with digestion, so try not to skip it. 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in 1 cup of water. The water should be just above the ingredients and I'm going to blend this. Pour the blended dosha batter into a bowl. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Some fresh Moringa leaves. Instead of Moringa leaves, you can use any green leafy vegetables of your choice like finely chopped palak leaves or even coriander leaves. A fat pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. I'm giving this all a good mix. And Once nicely mixed, this is the consistency of the batter. Now the best thing about this dosha batter is that you can store it in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. So this way it's an ideal way to meal prep. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil. Pour one ladleful of the dosha batter and spread it out into a round circle as thinly as possible. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil, also known as til oil. Cover and let it cook on low flame. Couple of minutes later, open the lid. Once that side is done, carefully flip it over. About a minute later, flip it over again and serve to a plate. You can see that the instant Bajra Dosa is super crispy. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the dosha batter. And enjoy the instant Bajra Dosa with Moringa chutney. So guys, do try this healthy Bajra Dosa and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.